Alright, it's time to remove the plugs. These are easy. There's just a wing nut on them. So you just loosen the wing nut. The idea, of course, is to not drop the plug in the pool. Just do that, and it comes right out. I have 5 others to do around the pool, so I'm going to get those out, and then we'll come back to this one. Okay, this is called a universal wall fitting. Polaris Vacuum. It has threads on it, and ears on the inside. It threads in down there. I like to take some pool and spa lube. This is from Leslie's Pool, who's the local yokel. Put some schmeg on there and smear the schmeg around. This plug has seen better days, but hopefully I'll get this year out of it. I actually have a replacement brand new in the package, but whatever. Okay, and start screwing it in. Don't cross thread it. That's all I can get by hand. Now we get a pair of EBFBs, even bigger fucking pliers. And try to get it on there. Don't drop the wrench in the pool. I almost did. Right there where I'm going to leave it. And now that plug is in. Okay, these are the eyeball jets or eyeball fittings or whatever it is. So once again, we'll put a little schmeg on those. And smear schmeg. I guess that's going to be the phrase this here. Smear the schmeg. Like that. And screw it in. You want to end up with the jet pointing up as far as it will go, just like I have it there. So now that that's done, I got 2 more of these to do, and then I'll show you the stair jets. Okay, now we're going to put in the stair jets. These have like bubblers on them and stuff. These are tricky to install. It looks like you'd want to screw this in and then put that, but it doesn't go like that. So you take this piece and you just shove it in. Then we'll put some schmeg on this, which I'm running very, very low on. So I'll have to open up my new tube. That'll do. Now, the way this gets installed is this way. You'll see there are 4 protrusions on there, or tits as we call them in the business. And what you need to do is put it in over the jet there, like that, and just kind of get it straight. And then get your fingers in there and fondle the tits around until the jet becomes a hard-on. Somehow that works. I'm not sure how. This is very tricky, and it will take a few tries to get the thread started. There is a special tool for this, but I don't know where you can buy it. I don't have it. So that's the way it's done. Now the jet can be put in place wherever, and it'll just sort of stay. See if I can just tighten it just a little bit more, and that's it, just like that. And these you can kind of point upwards as well. So that's it, installing the jets. I'm taking a short break. It'll be a long break for you. Tomorrow, I'll watch installing the pumps.